Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you. Oh, season lover. Oh, season lover. Girl, I'm your four-season lover. Hey. No, you should never give your love away. I said no, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away. I said no, you should never give your love away. So when the winter comes around and there's nobody to keep you warm, your girl, call me on your phone line and I will be there in no time. I'll be there to warm you up. Stick it do down day. Thank you very much, my brother Twitch. Thank you. You've been doing nice. I've been watching y'all working, man. Lovely, lovely. All the people in the poor house for the first time we are work down, I'm loving the vibes. Nationality. Yow, yow. Said I'm missing you. I really, really do. Whoa, hey. I said I'm massive. Are you ready? Said, oh Lord, so hey, since you've been away, I've been down and lonely, and since you've been away, I've been dreaming of you, my baby. I try to understand the reason you left me, and what were you going through, girl? Ooh, 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 baby, I'm missing you. Yes. Tell me why the road turns. Why? Ooh, wee, baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Oh no, please. We have some great chap.
Why, Mr. Gibbons? Your voice coming like gold. When you say I hear showcase this, run it.
Thank you very much. The man said, don't let me rest, because if I get cold, you know. Yeah, thank you. Niceness galore. Whoa, well. Whoa, this but goodies. In the rubber dub styling. Sturgav I play. Hey, a Cupid, draw back your bow. Yes, you say, myself. Whoa, this but goodies in the dance hall styling. Keep it up, say a Cupid, draw back your bow. I ain't to let you ever go. Soon straight to my lover's heart for me. Nobody but me. A Cupid, please hear my cry. I ain't to let you ever fly. Soon straight to my lover's heart for me. Oh, hey. That Cupid, I don't wanna bother you, but I'm in distress. The fame is dangerous and losing all of my happiness. For I love a girl who doesn't know I exist, and of this I know you can fix. So, where's the chappy?
John, you are the greatest. I can't make you cool. I can't make you cool. Warm up, man.
Yaga yow. Play and play. I said my love is to the end of time. This magic moment, yow yow, whoa.
Lift up sick lady. This youth are coming like say them hide them from people. Talk to them, Gibbon.
Yow yow, zoom and zoom, Chaplin, enough respect. My love is to the end of time. This magic moment, yow yow. So different and so new was like any other. Until I kissed you, and then it happened. It took you by surprise. I knew that you felt it too, yes. By the look in your eyes, sweeter than wine, and warmer than the summer's night. Everything I want, I have. Well, peace. Where's the poopa?
Why, I'm rate you to the max, to the MX. Lift up. Come here, tell us that singer here. But we stay here so and listen till the morning. Talk to them.
Thank you. Stop it a little bit, bro. Woo woo. Oh, now. Woo woo. Whoa, whoa. Oh, now. I hear him say, Mama, take this badge off for me. Yes. Now watch this. Stop it, Sid Ladin. Stop it. I'm talking to the people them. The brethren them we are going to run and shoot off for the brethren and the sister unnecessarily. When you look at the reason out the ground. Why, bro? I can't shoot them anymore. No, no. The long dark clouds are coming down on me. Seems like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Wanna hear you sing now? I'm knock knock. Ah, poor us, I want you to live good. Peace. Oh, hey, oh, hey, 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 hey. Does she love me with all her? Come again.
Why you good like gold? You're good like gold. When me have you an Admiral Tibet side, I me feel like a king and Lico John. Them can't touch me. Come in again.
Thank you, my brother. Now big up yourself, brother. Anywhere you are. No Daddy Ryan. Enough respect. John, you could have called me about your thing, man. Big John, does she love me with all her heart? Should I worry when we're apart? It's a lover's question. I'd like to know. Does she needs me as she pretends? If this is a little game, oh, will I win? It's a lover's question. I'd like to know. Now we have to Twitch.
See, like, who remember that one? If you remember that one, all the independent women, we gonna say, glory! All of the women, we have the more money. Cause I don't know, say right now, we don't deal in gully. Hey, come now. We are go send this madness, my thing, y'all will licky. Send this madness, my thing, y'all will drinky. Send this madness, my thing. Glory! You know, so, hey, watch a man. A trucker, we are trucker, call LEROY GIBBONS to 2144. That means they know a shot off. Hey. We are go send this madness, my thing, y'all will licky. Send this madness, my thing, y'all will drinky. Send this madness, my thing, y'all will licky. Send this madness, my thing, y'all will drinky. Come now! No licky, girl. No beggy, girl. No yummy, girl. No drinky, girl. No licky, girl. No beggy. Me know this little girl with them call Beverly. Well, she no love no man, you want to buy a brandy. The first time she take a liquor from Charlie, it does in a in pocket for him virgin cherry. And that take not the liquor make she drink it, you see. And as a son she drink it, man, she feel on it. She just rub down him back. Take off his pants, take off his brief. He not say you know when she off his face. And whisper the ABS and tell him a nice story. She say, cut book. Flick it up. Turn on the Miami dick. Glory! Even though your belly bang, woman, you have everything. You all a man, girl. Even though your belly bang, them a come from all direction. Some girl, they live flatter than plywood. Have bedroom like so, but them don't know the code. Take a bang belly girl and put her on board. Every street avenue, every lane, every road. A bang belly woman a carry the most load. Bang belly woman a fly the most code. Take your chain, I bet you now have no time to those. You left your socks, your shoes, you got both your clothes. Salute them and send them no rose. I want thing. Them have ambition, me Me now live here so until me get one. Bang belly woman who no got number one. Glory.